Sakana Lenene's attempts to scare off this swarm of locusts are almost completely futile. He's the chief of a community of herders here in eastern Kenya.
They are eating the shrubs until it is finished. We are very worried because once there is no these small shrubs, animals can die.
The swarms crossed from neighbouring Somalia and Ethiopia in recent weeks. It's the worst plague of locusts to affect the region in 70 years. One locust by itself looks harmless, but it can eat its body mass in plant matter every day, and so a swarm of tens or even hundreds of millions can eat tons of food each day, and that's devastating for the farmers and herders who live here. It's dry for most of the year. The people depend on their animals to survive. The animals depend on the plants, and the plants are being devoured. The government started spraying insecticides, which it says are harmless to people and livestock. It's released $2 million to fund the fight against the locusts. The UN's also contributed. There are many farms in the neighbouring province. There, the locusts could devastate food supplies and the economy. The response is meant to stop that. But it hasn't been working well. We found this swarm the day after it had been sprayed. This village administrator told us the actions taken so far haven't been effective and more must be done.
We've seen that the number that they have come to kill, very low number. So I don't think that it is working. It doesn't work well.
And so the locusts keep eating and their population keeps growing. But the agriculture minister told us the insecticide is now working and the swarms will soon be stopped.
The chemicals, I'm told, were not really the wrong one. I think it's the mixing, the intensity of the ingredients that kill them. That was a problem. That has been corrected. Government is taking total charge of the situation.
Scientists say it was unseasonal rains across the region last month that caused the locust population to boom. It watered the plants they eat. And they'll soon start to threaten people's food security if their feasting isn't stopped.